here's a little sneak peek of what's happening in today's video. So if you want to see how this turned into this, go ahead and like this video and continue watching. Huh, that could be shinier. Oh, that's way better. That's got some shine to it. Oh, that's not so good. Let's try this again. There we go. That's more like it. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Now it's not brand new, but it looks like it. Nice. Right there, new piston. Still in the little package thing, so let's see what we got here. Wow. That is a big improvement compared to the old one. Wow. That's insane.
Notice the old one didn't have the old oil holes drilled in it.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
So like I mentioned before, this is a brand new cylinder. Still see the shine inside of it. Really clean. It's gonna look really good with that head that we just polished up. So, let's get into this. got the little cylinder studs. That might not be the name, but we got the little studs in the cylinder to allow us to put the cylinder head on there. We got that all nice and shined up. Looks really good. So when you put that on there, then yeah, it's coming together. So the engine is all finished up. Everything's nice and shiny on it. You see the reflection really nice on it. So that's ready to go in the frame. I didn't get any of those on camera, but I think that the frame is ready for an engine. We got it all nice and polished up, so you can see a reflection in it. So yeah, that's ready for an engine. So here we go. So that's probably it for today's video. We got the top end put back together, everything on the engine put back together. Got the frame nice and shiny. See my reflection in there. Really shiny, really clean. Starting to look like a bike again. So make sure to subscribe to see more of these build series videos. And if you enjoyed this, give it a like and watch out for the latest videos, I guess.